I've got a quick question for you. I keep seeing these advertisements on TV for these companies that can magically fix your credit or help you pay off all of your credit card debt for pennies on the dollar. Tell us the backstory on that.
I don't want to call it a scam, but that's about what it is. What they're going to tell you to do is you quit paying your credit card bills and, tell them to call us instead and we'll take care of it. Well, what they're going to do, the credit card companies, the other creditors you owe, they're going to start calling you and they'll call them and eventually you'll get sued and these companies will settle it for you. Well, they don't always settle for, rather than you paying $5,000 to Sears, you end up paying $3,000 to Sears. But this is 6 months to a year down the road after your credit has been destroyed. Bankruptcy law, debtor's court or bankruptcy, is designed to help people, and the creditors have to follow the bankruptcy laws. If you qualify for a bankruptcy, then you get to bankrupt. And I think I said it earlier, many times if you keep paying for both your cars and your house, you get to keep them. So, you lose your unsecured debts. If you're behind on your car or house, you can put what you're behind in the case and you don't have to catch it up. And generally you can lower your payments. So those are bad ideas.
So you wind up with a judgment against you.
A lot of times you wind up with a judgment. Sometimes you're able to they settle it before you're sued. But during that 6 month to a year period, your credit, it just keeps going downhill. And let's say you got 5 credit cards, you might be able to settle 3 of them, but before they go to a lawyer, then the lawyer sues you and then you've got a court appearance and they might not settle it. They might say, no, we're going to get a judgment and garnish your paycheck or seize your bank accounts or take your property. Okay. And if you file debtor's court or bankruptcy, it fixes that. A lot of people are scared to death of it, but it really solves a lot of problems if you've got these kind of problems.